Hey there! In this episode of Analytics Academy, I'm going to show you how you can use a tool called Attributor to capture Facebook ads data in Salesforce account engagement so that you can ultimately track which campaigns, ad sets, and ads are generating your leads. Let's jump in. Attributor is a small bit of code you add to your website. When a visitor lands on your site, it detects where they came from and saves the data in a cookie. Then when they complete a form on your website, it writes the data into hidden fields in the form, and the data is captured by your form tool and can be sent to your CRM and other tools. Finally, you can use this data to run reports that show things like how many leads you got from your Facebook ads, how many customers you got from each of your Facebook ad campaigns, or how much revenue you got from each ad you're running. Now that you understand how it works, let's see how easy it is to set up. When you sign up for a free trial, you'll get given a bit of code to add to your website. Depending on what website builder you use, you should just be able to copy it, go to the settings section of your site, and paste it in. You can also use tools like Google Tag Manager to add it in as well. Now go to the settings section of account engagement, go to prospect fields, and select the button to add a new field. You'll need to add 6 new custom fields with specific names and field IDs, and the exact ones you need to use can be seen in the help article on our website. Now go over to the form you want Attributor to work with and add the custom fields you just created to the form as hidden fields. It should ultimately end up looking a bit like this. That's it, you're done. Now when someone completes a form on your website, Attributor will write information on where they came from into these hidden fields, and it will be captured with the form submission. You can then see the information on the prospect record, send it to your CRM, sync it to a spreadsheet, whatever you need. To learn more and start a free trial, visit attributor.io today.